The gender gap has been a particularly one-sided ache for what should be half the population or more. However, some women ford through deep waters and go against the flow to make a mark and make a difference. Hello and welcome to Car India. In this special series with Hyundai India, we will work with different people who have made a difference and women who have stood out, not just in their field, but have made more of themselves and others. In this first episode, we talk to Dr. Irisha Poonawalla.
Hi Jim, thank you for having me. I've enjoyed myself so far and this is beautiful to be able to be in such a freaking zippy car. We are all over India and I am a road trip girl. A good car, a safe car, a comfortable car goes a really long way and this checks every box.
Your degree is not something we hear about very often, so could you tell us more about it?
So it's a topic that I had to specially apply for because it's not a very common thing like you said. So it's dance as a means of communication, and as a media and journalism degree, it's not a very common thing in general, but because I have a dance background, I wanted to sort of amalgamate my two strengths. It made me not only a better student of dance, it made me a better teacher of dance as well. I started a good 22 years ago, so I feel like the grand old lady of Latin dance in India. I think it grew into something so incredible that I didn't imagine that it would be everything that it was, making me one of the only Indians to perform at the LA Salsa Congress. I have about 3.5 years experience working in the wing industry, and this was a few years ago, a good 10 years back. To be taken seriously at that age and to be a little girl was not the easiest thing, I have to say. When you start working with the international market, you may be a girl, you may be a boy, as long as you can do a good job, get the job done.
Exactly.
Bring something creative, something positive into the world. I think that should be the crux.
Absolutely, it is. And you've spent your time driving the Extra. What do you think about the new Hyundai Extra? Does it echo with your lifestyle? And I mean, you have a little bit of everything. It does a little bit of everything. So it's a wonderful little car. And what are your thoughts on the ride you had today?
I'm a SUV sporty vehicle kind of girl all the way. This fit right in that niche where it's not bulky. It zips around town. I can drive comfortably, be it from home to wherever I need to go, park comfortably and not think like, oh my God, this is not going to fit, At the same time, I'm going to be heading out into the countryside. It's really a smooth ride. It feels like, I can put all the stuff I need to put in the car and not feel cramped. I really enjoyed the fact that it's kind of parallel to everything that I am and everything that I believe in, because it checks off boxes of being a bit of an all-rounder. My first car was a Hyundai, and I bought it 14 years ago. It was the cutest little i10. It has a special sentimental value and a lot of validation as a young entrepreneur just starting out. And to be able to drive the Exter today was an extension of that feeling. I've come a long way, and the car has come a long way, the engine's come a long way, the tech has come a long way, but it's still the same car at heart. So I love being able to still celebrate the fact that this is a Hyundai at heart. It'll always be sentimental for me.